How to transfer bookmarks to the another computer. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start the video. And if at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so this process will be on the Chrome browser, and just open the browser, and here go to this option and go to the helps and go to the about Google Chrome. Here we have to check that Chrome browser updation. If it is not update, then it will be start updating automatically when you open this page, and after update you need to relaunch it. Okay, after relaunch, come up again in browser, go to the three dot option, go to the bookmarks and list, and here we need to find that bookmarks manager option. Just click on it, and here you can see the shortcuts control plus shift plus O. Okay, now under the bookmarks I have two folder, and under the every folder we have some bookmarks website link like this. Okay, so what we need to do, just select the folder one by one. I just select this folder. In this folder I have this bookmarks. Okay, and go here three dot option, and you need to export it. Now select the location where you want to export. This is HTML document. You can give the name like bookmark 1, or keep your name as it is. I just change the name bookmark 1. Okay, and save it. Now come to the second folder, same, you need to export it and give the another name bookmark 2. Okay, now what we need to do, go to the another browser on your new computer. Okay, just open that browser, come here, same, go to the bookmark list, go to the bookmark manager, and here if you don't have any bookmarks, it will be look like blank. Okay, now just click on three dot options and go to the import. Find out that bookmarks. First, this bookmark you need to transfer to the new computer. Okay, how you can do this? Just go to the folder. You can copy it and paste to the your pen drive, or you can take, or you can transfer via email to the new computer. Okay. After that, select the bookmarks and just open it. Now it will be start importing. So let me refresh it. Okay, this is imported bookmarks. I got it. Okay, this is bookmarks I just imported. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel.